Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious hot chocolate at home without any cocoa powder. This easy method uses just a few simple ingredients you likely already have. We will focus on creating a rich, creamy drink from scratch. You will need about 2 cups of milk, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 3 ounces of your favorite chocolate. First, pour about 2 cups of milk into a saucepan. Place it over medium-low heat, allowing it to warm slowly. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar to the milk, stirring gently until it dissolves completely. It is important to stir continuously to prevent the milk from scorching on the bottom of the pan, ensuring a smooth base for your hot chocolate. Now, take about 3 ounces of your chosen chocolate bar and break it into small, manageable pieces. This helps it melt more quickly and evenly. Add these chocolate pieces directly into the warm milk and sugar mixture. Continue to whisk gently but consistently until all the chocolate has completely melted, creating a wonderfully smooth and rich consistency. Once your hot chocolate is perfectly smooth and steaming, carefully pour it into your favorite mugs. For an extra special treat, you can add a dollop of whipped cream or a handful of fluffy marshmallows on top. This simple, homemade hot chocolate is best enjoyed immediately, offering a comforting and delicious experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.